in remembering. Okay. So first problem is evaluate this integral. Okay. Now what we'll do here is whenever you'll get an integration, always write let I is equal to and then the given question. Integration root x minus 1 by cube root of x plus 2 to the power of x. This is a very good habit. If you take I is equal to this always. Now we shall evaluate the integral. So what we'll first do is we will separate. We can write this as integral root x dx minus integral dx by cube root of x plus integral 2 to the power of x dx. Okay, you can write it this way. We are distributing the integration over all the functions, right? Now
Yes, sir.
x root x can be written as x to the power of half dx minus integral dx by cube root of x can be written as x to the power of 1/3 plus, and this you write as it is. Okay. Next, what you're going to do here is you're going to write integral x to the power of half as it is dx, and was the second one 1 by x to the power of 1/3 can be written as x to the power of minus 1/3 dx plus integral 2 to the power of x dx. Now we'll integrate. Integration of x to the power of half is x to the power of half plus 1 by half plus 1, right? Because x to the power of n integration is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus integration x to the power of minus 1/3 similarly is x to the power of minus 1/3 plus 1 by minus 1/3 plus 1 plus 2 to the power of x. You know that integration a to the power of x is what? This is of the form a to the power of x. What is the integration of a to the power of x? It is a to the power of x by natural log of a, right? So you write this as 2 to the power of x by log 2 to the base e, obviously, or ln 2 plus constant of integration, where c is a constant of integration. Understood? Clear? Or any step that you could not understand?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Sir, understood.
Okay. So let us do the next problem here. Number 2. The question here is evaluate integration of, these are just practice problems, okay? 3 to the power of 2x
Okay, sir.
minus 3e to the power of minus 3x plus 1 by 2x dx. How do you integrate this? Again, you suppose let I is equal to integration 3 to the power of 2x minus 3e to the power of minus 3x plus 1 by 2x whole thing dx. So this is integral 3 to the power of 2x dx minus integral 3e to the power of minus 3x dx plus integral dx by 2x, right? So now this can be written
Yes.
as integral 3 to the power of 2x dx. Now 3 is a constant, so you can take it out of the integration. Right? This is 3 integral e to the power of minus 3x dx plus, now see here, integral dx by 2x. You can write half outside the integration and you can write this as dx by x. See whether you understood this step. Tell me if you have understood integral dx by 2x.
Sir,
No,
can you
sir.
explain once more?
One more step.
No. Yes.
Remember this step, okay? Next time I will not explain. Integral dx by 2x can be written as half of 1 by x dx, right?
Yes, sir.
Plus, you can now you can take half out of the integration, and you can write this as integral 1 by x dx. Now 3 to the power of 2x. Again, integral e to the power of x is what? Integral e to the power of x is e to the power of x by natural log of e, right? Not only that, but I have a 2x here, right? So this will be
Yes, sir.
divided by the derivative of 2x, which is 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is what your integration is. And the next integration
Yes, sir.
is minus 3. Integral e to the power of minus 3x is e to the power of minus 3x. Okay. Divided by the derivative of minus 3x. Derivative of minus 3x is minus 3. Okay. Derivative of minus 3 is minus 3
Minus 3.
plus half. And integral half, integral 1 by x dx is what? Log x to the base e. So what you ultimately get, and you put a constant of integration. So you get here 3 to the power of 2x by twice log 3, okay, minus this 3 and this 3 will cancel, minus and minus will become plus. So you get plus e to the power of minus 3x plus half log x, natural log of x, plus c, where c is the constant of integration. Okay. Any
Yes, sir.
questions on this problem?
Yes, sir.
So now this step
No,
is
sir.
very
No, sir.
important. Okay, this step is very important. Please
Understood.
remember this step. Just as in differentiation we are doing, so you do the same step in your
Yes, sir.
integration.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So here the next problem that I am going to give you is this one. Number 3. Evaluate the following integrals. Let me give you 2 or 3 problems together. Evaluate the following integrals. The first one is integral 2x cube plus 3 whole square dx. The second one is integral 1 minus x whole cube by x dx. Okay, the second one.
Okay, sir.
And I'll give you one or two more, and that is fine. So one I want to give you here is integration x square into 2x minus 1 by x whole square. These three. Okay, let us look at the first one. Question 3.1. I assume let I is equal to integral 2x cube plus 3 whole square dx. Okay, now for this problem, you see that this is of the form a plus b whole square, right? So what you do is you expand this by a plus b whole square formula. So what do you get? A square 2x cube whole square plus b square plus twice a b dx. Okay. So now what you get is you square this, you get 4x to the power of 6 plus 9 plus 12x cube dx. Now you separate the integration. You get integration 4x to the power of 6 dx plus integral 9 dx plus integral 12x cube dx. Okay. So next step is you can take 4 out of the integration because it is a constant. You can write this as 4 integral x to the power of 6 dx plus 9 also is a constant. So you can take 9 out and simply write this as 9 integral. You can either write 1 dx, okay, or you can simply write integral dx. Simple.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And 12 you can take it out. You can write this as 12 integral x cube dx. Now this again, this is x to the power of n formula. So this is x to the power of 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 plus. Now 9 integral dx. What is integral dx? D is nothing but the differential operator, right? And integral
Yes, sir.
of dx, actually these both are just opposite of each other. You'll simply get an x here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Integral of dx will always be x because d is the differential operator. Okay. And integration is just the reverse, the converse of differentiation. So actually we don't cancel, but somewhat they will cancel each other. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you can write, remember integral of dx is always x. So you can write this as 9x plus 12 x cube you can write as x to the power of 3 plus 1 by 3
1,
plus 1
3 plus
and
1.
give a constant of integration. So you get this as 4 by 7 x to the power of 7 plus 9x plus 12 by 4 x to the power of 4 plus c. So cancel this 3. So you get 4 by 7 x to the power of 7 plus 9x plus 3x to the power of 4 plus c, and you write here where c is the constant of integration. Okay, where c is a constant of integration. Remember plus c, don't forget, because you marks get deducted even for not writing plus c. So plus c is very important. Second question.
Okay, sir.
The second question that I gave you was integration of 1 minus x whole cube divided by x dx. Okay, so how do you find out this? Remember this technique. This technique is also very important. Whenever you see that the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator, okay, we'll divide. Understood? Whenever, what is the degree
Okay,
of
sir.
the numerator here? The degree of the numerator here is 3. And what is the degree of the denominator here? Degree of the denominator here is 1. Okay, so
1.
we'll divide. But before dividing, we will first expand this by a minus b whole cube formula. What is a minus b whole cube formula? A
Okay,
cube
sir.
minus b cube
Yes.
minus thrice a square b plus thrice a b square divided by x dx. Okay, now you simplify this a little. You get 1 minus x cube minus 3x plus 3x square divided by x. And you put this under curly brackets to indicate that everything is integrated dx. Now what you do is, I told you you have to divide, so you separate everything. So what do you get here? You get here 1 by x minus x cube by x square, x cube by x. This technique is very, very important. Okay, dividing everything.
Okay, sir.
3x by x plus 3x square. I'm showing you this step, but from the next time I will divide directly. Okay, I will skip this step.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So you have integral 1 by x minus x square minus 3 plus 3x, right, dx. Because this gets cancelled here, this x gets cancelled, this x cancels with this square, so you get this. Now you separate. Okay, let me write here. Now you separate. You write this as integral 1 by x dx minus integral x squared dx minus integral 3 dx plus integral 3x dx. Okay, so now what you do here is integral 1 by x dx minus integral x squared dx minus 3 is a constant, you take it out of the integration, thrice integral dx plus thrice, again 3 is a constant, you take it out of the integration, you only left with x dx. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so now what is integration of 1 by x? It is log of x, natural log of x, for direct application of formula. Okay, minus what is the integration of x square? It is x to the power of 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. Okay, minus integral 3 thrice integral dx. What is integral dx? I told you integral dx is simply x plus thrice, and what is the integration of x dx? This is nothing but x to the power of 1, isn't it? So you can write this as x to the power of 1 plus 1 by
Yes,
1
sir.
plus 1, and you give a c. It log x minus 1/4 x to the power of 4 minus 3x plus 3 by 2 x square plus c, where c is a constant of integration. Govinda, you are understanding? Where 3 is a
Yes,
constant
sir.
of integration. Next one, the third part. I again say let I is equal to third one here is number 3. Let I is equal to integration x square 2x minus 1 by x whole square dx. Okay, so this is, first of all, I expand by a minus b whole square x square. This one will be x square, this one will be a square plus b square minus twice a b dx. Okay, so in here what happens? X cancels. So what are you left with? Integral x square into 2x whole square is 4x square. 1 by x whole square is 1 by x square. And this is minus 4 dx. Okay, so this is integral x square into 4x square is what? 4x to the power of 4 plus x square into 1 by x square minus 4x square dx. So this is integration of 4x to the power of 4, and x square they cancel. We get a plus 1 minus 4x square dx. Now you separate. This becomes integral 4x to the power of 4 dx plus integral 1 dx, which is nothing but dx only. Okay, minus integral 4x square dx. In the next step, you take 4x to the power of 4, 4 is a constant, you can take it out of the integration, x to the power of 4 dx plus integration 1 dx is simply dx. Minus, again 4 is a constant, you can take it out of the integration, and dx. Okay. So this now becomes 4 integration x to the power of 4 is x to the power of 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1. Integration dx is simply x minus 4 integration x cube is x to the power of 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. Okay. So this becomes 4 by 5 x to the power of 5 plus x minus 4 by this 4 by 4 in fact, so they will cancel. You'll simply get x to the power of 4, isn't it? These two will cancel, 4 and 3 plus 1.
Yes.
You'll simply get minus x to the power of 4 plus c, where c is a constant of integration. Okay. So this is these
Yes,
are
sir.
some of the examples. Okay, there are more in your textbook. Okay, there are some special types in your textbook. I have only these for the time being, and there are some now. We have done the integration of trigonometric functions. Sorry, algebraic functions till now. Okay, let's see how to do the integration of trigonometric functions. Okay, let us do. Let us say evaluate. We give you 3 problems here. First one is integral sine x cos x dx. It's a very simple one. Okay. Next is integral sine x by cos square x minus cos x by sine square x dx. Okay. And the next one is third one here is integral tan square x minus cot square x. Okay. Dx. So let us see the first one. Let us see the first one. Solution 4, 1. We say let I is equal to integral sine x cos x dx. Remember, this is a product of sine and cos. So whenever you see a product of trigonometric functions, especially sine and cos, remember this, okay? Bear this in mind,
Okay, sir.
that whenever you see a product of trigonometric function, either sine x sine y or sine x cos y, something like this, then always change it to a sum. But here, the need for changing into the sum does not arise, because see that you know that sine 2 theta, trigonometry, sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. You know this, right? So what you do here, what you see here is sine x and cos x are already there, right? The product of sine theta cos theta is there. Only what is missing here? Only this 2 is missing, right? So what you do is you take half into 2. You can write this as half into 2 integral sine x cos x dx, right? In the next step, what you can do is this 2 you can take inside the integration also, 2 sine x cos x dx. See whether this step is clear or not, and see whether you are getting this one or not, 2 sine theta cos theta. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. We are getting.
Yes.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
If we are getting,
Yes, sir. Two
that
sin
that is
sin
the
x cos
reason.
x. It will be
Yeah, that is the
sin 2.
reason I had taken half
Yes.
into 2 here. Okay, that is the reason, so that I later I can take 2 inside and make this 2 sine theta cos theta. Okay, that is the reason. So what I'll do here is half 2 sine x cos x can be written as sine 2x dx. Now sine theta, the standard formula is there. What is the integration of sine theta? Sine x. What is the integration of sine x? It is minus cos x.
Yes,
And
sir.
not only that, but divided by the derivative of 2x. Derivative of 2x is 2 plus c. So your answer here is minus 1/4 cos 2x plus c. Clear?
Yes, sir.
We do the next one, number 2. The next one that I gave you here was integral sine x by, so we assume let I is equal to, integral sine x by cos square x minus cos x by sine square x dx. Okay, so when you have an integration of this type, what you do here is, you know that sine x by cos x is nothing but tan x, right? So what you do
10x.
here is,
Yes, sir.
you break up sine x by cos x, this expression sine x by cos square x, you break it up as sine x by cos x into 1 by cos
Sir,
x.
it will become 10x,
Sec
10x
x
into
tan x.
cosec. Yes, sir.
Sec
Cosec.
x tan x it will become.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Cos x by sine x. And this you write as 1 by sine x dx. And you close the curly brackets also. So what will this
Yes,
become?
sir.
This will become 1 by cos x is sec x.
Sec x. Yes, sir.
Okay. And sine x by cos x
10x
is tan x dx.
minus
Or not
cot x
minus cot x, yes. We'll separate later.
minus cot x
Minus
cosec x.
cosec x cot x.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now these two are also standard results, sec x tan x. What is the integration of sec x tan x? First separate integration sec x tan x dx minus integration cosec x cot x dx. So what is the integration of sec x tan x? It is nothing but sec x. Standard result.
Yes, sir.
Integration sec x tan x is sec x. And
Yes,
what is
sir.
the integration of cosec x cot x? It is minus cosec x plus c. So your
Yes, sir.
answer is sec x plus cosec x plus c,
Let's see.
where c is a constant of integration. Okay, and the last one, number 3. Number 3 question here was tan square x minus cot square x. I assume let I is equal to integration tan square x minus cot square x. Now you know that tan square x and cot square x are not standard integrals. But we also know that sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. You know this, right? Sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta,
Yes, sir.
is tan square theta. And you also know that cosec square theta minus 1 is cot square theta, right? So what you do is, instead of tan square x, you write this as sec square x minus 1. Okay. And instead of cot square x, you write this as cosec square x minus 1. Okay. Entire thing dx. Next is integration of sec square x minus 1. Open the brackets. Okay. What do you get? The sign changes. Minus cosec square x plus 1 dx. So this minus 1 plus 1 cancels. You simply get integration sec square x dx minus integration cosec square x dx. And what is the integration of sec square x? What is the integration of sec square x? Standard formula, tan x. And what is the
10x
integration of cosec square x? It is minus cot x. Again,
minus
standard
cosec
formula,
cot x.
plus c. So you get tan x plus cot x plus c as your ultimate answer, where c is a constant of integration. Okay. So
Yes.